Is my head up too high? Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Yuli.
And just to let you know, we hadn't finished. We just went on holiday. Where did you go on holiday?
Poland.
And I went to France. Did you have a nice time in Poland?
Yes, I went on a gigantic water slide.
A gigantic water slide. That sounds absolutely amazing.
It was epic.
Wow, it sounds it. I'd just like to say thank you for all your support. And while we were away, we managed to get an amazing 150 subscribers. So thank you, everybody who subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate your support.
Thank you!
We'd also like to especially give a thumbs up for Adulting with Children, Eve Harvey Art, Baby Mario, and Play Candy. And please follow their links down below. They've got some really interesting things on their channels. I'd also like to announce that we've teamed up with BOGGLESOX TV. Please follow the link below and check out their channel. They've got some amazing content. We're going to be contributing some of our videos to their channel, so don't forget to subscribe to BOGGLESOX TV too to see all of the Magic Pencils programs. And also we need to announce is that we are going to be releasing a Magic Pencil app which will help you with all of the tutorials that we've been doing on our channel. Hopefully this is going to be very exciting, very informative, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.